Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the seed of Minecraft server. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, first things first, you will have to go to your server's console. Now, the server provider that you are using can be different if you're locally hosting it or you're using something like Aternos. Doesn't matter. So, all you have to do is from here, you're going to go to the server provider such as Aternos. And then from here, you're going to go and click on the console. Just make sure that the server is already running. As you saw, I have just exited. And then from here in the console, you're just going to type OP and then the username of the admin or whoever is making the server, because whoever sees the seed has to be an admin. And you can do that by writing OP and then the username, which can be like that. And now, as you can see, made LaserChad a server operator. And so once we go here back, and then from here, all we have to do is to write seed. And there we go. Now we have the seed of the server. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.